Ooh, a gray day looking over downtown Spokane. Boy, I can see the Davenport Grand right there. That's going to be full of Bloomsday runners soon. Downtown is going to be full of Bloomsday runners, all starting about Friday. And that's about the time our weather takes a turn for the worst. Your forecast first for tonight, mostly cloudy skies, 39 degrees for an overnight low. The last of some showers coming to an end. Tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny. We're going to see some sunshine tomorrow, and our temperature responding up around 62. That's back up exactly average. Our average high 62. Today, however, it was cool, only 49 with a cool start at 35. No precipitation measured at the airport yet, but it is raining currently at the airport, and 44. Southwest winds at 8 miles per hour. It is 43 degrees and raining currently in Coeur d'Alene. Radar verifies those ground observations. That is moving off to the east, however. Expect this to be with us through the evening. Soggy soccer practices for this Monday, and then we'll have mostly cloudy skies overnight. Here's a look at our satellite and radar, the northwesterly view, and you'll notice there is another system that's coming right in on a westerly flow. However, a rare treat, high pressure building in. I was explaining to a little friend of mine today that the jet stream acts like a roller coaster. When we get these ridges, the storms are just going to move right up over the top of the roller coaster into Canada and then down into the Central Plains, missing us. However, this will bring an increase in clouds for Wednesday, but it is not going to impact our warming trend. Overnight lows tonight will be down in the 30s and 40s around the region. Our highs tomorrow back up in the 50s and 60s, and that is just the beginning of the warm up. Here is your 7-day forecast. 69 on Wednesday with cloudy skies, then 79 on Thursday. Can't believe it. It's going to be warm on Friday, but we have a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. Saturday, chance of showers. I think Bloomsday is going to be dry, and actually the temperature is perfect. You don't want it to be 79 on Bloomsday. No. That friend I was telling you about, the roller coaster and the jet stream, is Hope. My friend from Hayden, Idaho. I've known Hope since she was a tiny baby. She loves weather, and so she has been in the weather office with me today, learning about all kinds of things, talking a lot about the jet stream, and I think she's going to be a good meteorologist someday.
Well, Hope, you're learning from the best.
Yes, we do. I have to say, though, we still have plenty of snow in the mountains, and it's a little bit nervous this time of year to see such a big spike in temperatures. That is the subject of tonight's forecast focus. And I'm going to start off with the map with our snow water equivalent. This is our current snow cover. Still plenty of dark purple in the mountains around the region. We're good in the valleys. I even went up to Bonners Ferry on Saturday, and the snow is finally melted there. We're just dealing with mudslides and rock slides and stuff. But this is the percent of average of the snow water equivalent, and that is the most important measurement of our snowpack. That is not the depth of the snow. That is interesting too, but the amount of moisture contained in the snow. And of course, our snowpack is important because that is the water that gets us through the dry season. If the rains are the paycheck, the snowpack is our 401k. And as you can see, we are well above average throughout the entire region. The Spokane River Basin at 112% of average, 114% of average in the northern mountains. We are in great shape. I meant the northern Columbia Basin is actually 145% of average. But when we have a big spike in our temperatures, that snow can melt a little faster than we want it to, and that's what we are going to see later this week. And so there is going to be some concerns about river rises along the east slopes of the Cascades, in the northern mountains and extreme north Idaho. I'm sorry, Bonners Ferry, you've had enough, but the potential for rivers there running fairly high, as well as down in the Snake River Basin. So take the good with the bad, but it looks like it'll be manageable. I will update you, however, as the end of the week approaches and that big warm-up approaches. Right now, it is cool and rainy, and the intensity of the rain has picked up just a little bit in Spokane County. It will not be that way for long. Expect a drying trend this evening with dry conditions overnight and mostly cloudy skies. Here's a look at our forecast model showing the last of those showers coming to an end, certainly by midnight. By 7 o'clock, we're clearing out, and then we should have a fair amount of sunshine by noon tomorrow. With another system approaching, that's just going to bring clouds for Wednesday. 43 and raining right now in Spokane, 43 and raining right now in Coeur d'Alene. Here's that next system on the way. Again, that is going to be sent to the north by a building ridge of high pressure that's going to help sponsor that big warm-up. A little bit of severe weather today in the northeast. The big tornado outbreak certainly over. High temperatures across the nation ranging from 41 degrees in Minneapolis all the way up to 94 in Phoenix. We are heading all the way up to 79 on Thursday. What if we hit 80? That would be something.
Oh my gosh, no kidding.
And we'll be watching those rivers as it does.
Yeah, all right, thanks a lot. It's kind of exciting. We'll see.